on this Blues Improv 1 video, we're just going to use those two notes that we used at the start of today's lesson. That's the G and the B flat. I'm just going to demonstrate again to you that you can actually do a lot of improvisation with just those two key notes. That's the root and the minor third above it. It's called a minor third because it's 3 notes up and it's flattened, and that's why it's a minor third. So you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E can just G and B flat. You can use these in any way that you want, really. Okay, so that's like your Blues Improv 1. Just use those two notes, play the chords in the left hand, play that in the right hand.